Hi there, welcome to Cassiekoy Crochet. Let's make a beanie for my nephew's bee costume. My nephew's head circumference is 44 cm, but I made 1 cm allowance so that he can use this even if he gets bigger. Originally, I thought of using an alternate of black and yellow colors on this one, but decided to stick to a single color, and that is yellow. To begin with, I made 48 chains as the foundation of this beanie, which is equivalent to 22.5 cm. For round 1, you have to skip 3 chains, which is counted as 1 double crochet. Then on the 4th stitch, place 1 double crochet. To continue this round, place 1 double crochet stitch in each of the chains. You'll just have to yarn over, insert the hook in the chain, pull through, yarn over, and pull through again. Now at the end of the foundation, we'll just add 3 double crochets in the last chain to create a corner of this beanie. We now have 1 double crochet, 2, and 3. To continue on the opposite side, just place 1 double crochet on each stitch across this row. On the last stitch of this round, place 1 double crochet stitch to make 3 double crochet stitch on this corner. To close this round, slip stitch on the 3rd chain that we skipped in the beginning of this round. Insert the hook on the 3rd chain, pull through, and pull through again. Then chain 1 to begin round 2. For round 2, place 1 double crochet stitch on each of the stitches. So we have here another 1 double crochet on top of the double crochet stitch, another one, and just continue this around. To close this round, just skip the slip stitch we did in closing round 1. Instead, you have to slip stitch on the first double crochet of this round. Then make a chain to start another round. So for rounds 3 to 15, you just have to repeat the same process as we did in round 2. So as for this beanie, I made 15 rounds of repeated double crochet stitches. Let's now move forward to the last 2 rounds of this beanie. To begin round 16, don't forget the chain 1. Then we're going to make an alternate of 1 double crochet stitch and 1 front post double crochet stitch. Front post double crochet is done by placing 1 double crochet on the double crochet post of the previous round. So here we're going to have another 1 double crochet on top of the double crochet stitch, and then another front post double crochet on this post, 1 double crochet on top of the double crochet stitch, another 1 front post double crochet on the double crochet post of the previous round. You'll just have to repeat this until the end of the round. And now we reach the end. So to end round 16, just slip stitch on the first double crochet stitch of this round. Then make chain 1 to begin round 17. So at this point, we'll just have to repeat what we did in round 16. Place 1 double crochet on top of the double crochet stitch, 1 front post double crochet on the front post double crochet of the previous round, 1 double crochet again on top of the double crochet stitch, front post double crochet stitch on this post, and just continue these stitches alternately until you reach the last part. So I ended this pattern in the 17th round, and if you want, you may add one last round of single crochet stitches. And this is how I formed the upper corner of this beanie to create a cat ear design. So I decided to use this design because I want the hat to be used not only for his monthly milestone celebration but for all occasions. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like it, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video. So that's it. I hope that you learned something from me on this video. And for the bee costume tutorial, click the link on the comment section or description box to be directed there. See you in my next tutorial.